Ninja's new rebrand gets roasted on social media. Here's the quote. Artistically, it's awful.
By the all of internet.
What a direct. Artistically speaking, it's awful. Like it sounds like
it's so
gonna,
matter of fact.
Yeah, it sounds like it's gonna be some sort of sophisticated take, and you could have just said it was awful.
I saw some remakes that were really good.
Yeah, I did too. Like just simple ones.
Yeah.
Other people took a crack at it?
Yeah, they're like, this is what you should have done. And I was like, oh, this is really nice.
By literally just having the letters right beside.
I think we saw the same one. That one is so good. I really think you should have used that one.
Well, I don't know that he could just.
I know.
He's got a deal, and you don't know what the specs of the deal were on the branding. Shout out Jaziel. He put out a video on Twitter. And
very hype.
And, I noticed there's a thing about promoting changes that Twitch, people who came from Twitch or streamers in general, that YouTube people don't do to the same extent, at least not old YouTube. Like there's obviously streamers on YouTube now and they do it.
Right.
But like these kind of announcement videos that go upload straight to Twitter. Like rebranding announcement or which platform they're going to be on announcement.
Right.
Like make a very big deal about it. So it's not super experimental. Like he could have just put the logo up and been like, what do you guys think about this logo?
Right.
And then very quickly, but maybe he doesn't even care.
Yeah,
maybe
that's the one, man. I like
this is really nice.
Oh, with the knife going through.
Better. Yeah. It's way better.
Well, what happened here though is the guy at least picked one singular font.
yeah. And not changing capitals and
Yeah, so the tough part there is just the multiple fonts, and who knows? Listen, if he likes it, if he looks at it and pumps him up, and it's like I presume there's a back and forth with any design, right?
Of course, yeah.
Well, it's from a design studio.
Of course it is. With a video like that, of course it is. So, I don't know if he hangs on to it or not. I don't know how much. Like, one of the weird things about people in this space is that the audience is your business. And in a way, they do kind of get what they want. Like, if everybody in the chat right now goes, Lou, we really need to hear your take on this subject.
Right.
I'm not going to go, screw you guys.
No.
I'm going to say, okay, valid. Let's figure it out.
Right.
You got a job to do. I know you're an entrepreneur. You got your own thing. But like, if you ignore the audience or you just go about your business and you say, I like what I like, you all better deal with it. Eventually, there's a lack of communication there. There's a lack of connection there.
Yes.
Heavy disconnect.
So in this case, I don't know that it's to that extent. It's just a logo. But you got to assume you hear some of the criticism, even if you make the jokes about it and so forth.
But it's not just a logo. Like, it's going to be on his merch. If I'm a fan, I got to rep it. And
okay, fair. The merch comment is good.
Yeah.
The merch take is good.
I also don't like the 3D. How do you feel about the 3D type of thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I touched a nerve with Will.
It's tough.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, Will is in pain over there.
I agree with you. I get it. If it serves a purpose and if this, ninja likes it, then all power to him.
Yeah, that might be what really matters here is that he's sick of the old branding. And then in that case, I'd be like, listen, it might not be your style. It might grow on you. Like let it live for a little bit. But I mean, the clip has 1.6 million views. Who knows? Maybe this is better. Maybe it's better that people are all upset about it because now they're paying a bunch of attention. And, sometimes things do grow on you when it comes to design. It is possible that something doesn't strike you right away and then given some time to mature, you're like, you know what? I don't mind it. It is possible. Well,
this is unlikely for Will.
I'm speaking.
We'll see how it plays
I'm speaking in general terms.
I'm trying to be
go ahead.
Trying to be high level here and give him the benefit of the doubt.
Shout out B-Rat.
But yeah, it's
hard. or maybe there's a couple of tweaks. Maybe you don't have to completely overhaul it, or maybe you just stick it out and you're like, and maybe the fans actually appreciate the fact that you stuck it out and you didn't bend to the pressure.
Right.
Because that's the other thing. It starts to be like, it's such a fine balance, isn't it?
I don't know, man. That was cool, his old, this one.
Yeah, I know.
But sometimes you need a change, man. I get that.
You need a boost.
Yeah, I get that.
I mean, at least he didn't call it meta.
Yeah.
He's like, Ninja is now meta.
Yeah.
Zuckerberg's like, what? So actually, they took some heat because I think they just snagged somebody's Instagram account that was like by that name. Somebody had @Metaverse on Instagram.
Oh,
and
really?
Zuckerberg's like, I'm gonna need that.
Oh.
After things happen. I'm pretty sure I read that story. It was something along those lines. It could have been Meta or Metaverse or something like that. Anyway, shout out Ninja. Still hustling. Do your thing, man.